Hello, Vincent Fansman here, and welcome back to another reaction video. This time reacting to a brand new rap made by JT Music. He has made a Choo Choo Charles rap. Yay! I can't believe it now, yeah. But yeah, I saw this, I think it was yesterday, they uploaded it, and I'm like, ooh, a Choo Choo Charles rap, eh? And I guess we should check this out. Well, me. Most likely. I'm sorry, I should check it out and see and react to it. But yeah, the only song I really reacted to for Choo Choo Charles was DA Games' song Brace for the Freight Train. That was another good song for Choo Choo Charles. And yeah. So yeah, let's check out this rap and see how they do with the train. No, so Charles. But yeah. Anyways guys, let's check it out right now. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out JT and this rap. I'll see you I'm not leaving yet. Why am I saying that? Let's check this thing out right. Yeah.
If you're driven by your greed, here's a lesson I would heed. When you take more than you need, you'll have one massive mouth to feed. Running tight and wide awake as I decide what shape I'll take. I'll take this off the rails. Are you chewing on your nails? You won't go? Well, you struck it in the hole. Hell, you dug it. Sorry, Warren, you're no Buffett. Got insurance, hope you book it. What resources might be worth risking your life? Never mind your purse. Don't dig too deep, cause it might get worse. You'll dive right into my Spider-Verse. I'm big and bad, but I'm not a meme. Just had to blow off a lot of steam, cause I'm inside of an undersized machine and just floss my teeth with the guy Eugene. Don't bother trying to find Sir Top of Pat and never ask me where's Thomas at. You don't wanna push me because I'm pushed back. Trust me, I'm already out of track and I'm about to crack open wide this egg. A lot more to me than spider legs. You wanna stop digging for the minus sake. Something of mine that you'll never find a break. Welcome to Aeronero. That's a word. You should look it up. It's Latin nerd. I'm just like a bridge. What keeps me running? You'll already know if you hear me coming better. Honk if you're hungry. Honk for me if you're hungry. Honk if you're hungry. Honk if you're running from me. Honk if you're hungry. Honk for me if you're hungry. Honk if you're hungry. Careful at railroad crossings. I tend to fail at stopping. I can ride you right out of your minds, and then I'll drive you right out of your minds, and I'll leave your entire dimension shook. Why? Cause I'm a little engine that could if it's the end of the world. Just roll with it. Toss some more coal on. I'm talking I needed a cryptid to keep me in business. I didn't say crypto, but if you invested, I can promise y'all some long returns. Come on, trust me, followers. If your wallet's hurt, keep holding on. I'll send you home with a golden haul. Nothing insidious to expose at all. Even if there was, would you be so appalled? Honk if you're hungry. Honk for me if you're hungry. Honk if you're hungry. Honk if you're running from me. Honk if you're hungry. Honk for me if you're hungry.
I like how Christian Scholar just says
He's salivating, his power's elevating. A smile made for faking, pain is all he's been creating. His children we have taken, the reason he's awakened. We only seek salvation, but that train is left us taken. Caboose is all that I am hunting. It's a fact, close to the track is where from I am coming. Something you should never do is go and trouble Tully. Something cool, go get your goal, but good if it's so funny. Honk if you're hungry. Honk for me if you're hungry. Honk if you're hungry. Honk if you're running from me. Honk if you're hungry.
or can you eat?
For me if you're hungry. Honk if you're hungry. Honk if you're running from me.
Yes. This is definitely a good rap for Choo Choo Charles. Definitely. That's it. So that was Choo Choo Charles rap made by JT Music called Honk If You're Hungry. And yeah. So I got really nothing else to say about JT Music, but they make amazing raps and do some more good ones in the future. I should start reacting some more JT as well, but I'll see and check it out. The last one I think I reacted to was the Join Us for a Bite Remastered one. I don't know, I can't remember, but that was the last one I reacted to, I think. Yeah, but yeah. So anyways guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and check out the rap and check out JT. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys! Alright guys, goodbye!